Chris had a question of how to make a checklist with goals or whatever, and I asked him for some clarification, and he said that basically all he needs is a list with goals that he can check off in a video as he does them. So let's explore a couple of different options. Okay, so you want a check off list, and you go into titles and you type in the word checklists, as I've done previously, and you'll get this. Now, let me warn you that anything with a pink diamond means that you have to pay for it. So they do offer you 3 different checklists that are free, but they're pretty limited, and so I probably wouldn't even bother using them. Instead, I would recommend that you build your own checkoff list, and this is how I would do it. I would go and forget this. Let's get rid of the checklist. And you can use any of these fancy ones like this. This one's kind of cute, with this text here. And if that's the way you want your list to be, we can do that. Usually I just use the default text, but let's just say that we will use this one here. And we can now type in everything that we want. So we'll call this our to-do list. Okay, and then we'll go mow lawn. No, watch movie. No, mow lawn. Do laundry. Watch movie. Okay. Now everything here is in the same font and everything like that, but we really want to reduce the size of these 3 here. So let's, you see, we do this. We have now reduced the size of it. Now we can center all of our text or whatever, or we can, however you want to format it, doesn't really matter. You can add animation to the video or to the text, but I'm just going to show you how to check off the items that you've done. They have stickers with checks and things like that, but we're just going to strike it out. So what we want to do is we want to copy this list, and so we'll do control, we can do right click, copy, and then we can right click, paste, or you can just do control C, control V. Okay, so now we're into the second list, and in the second list we want to cross off the first item that we've done. So we can do that by clicking on the advanced button here. And then in the advanced format, we can add additional text, we can add pictures, but we want to add a shape. And the shape we want to add is this particular one right here. And we can see that it's a very skinny text. First of all, let's turn it red so that we can see. And then let's increase the border size, something like that. And we can take these handles and we can stretch them. And unfortunately also, if we go like that, we make them thicker, but we can undo that later. So here, now we'll just decrease the border size to something that looks normal. Okay, so now we have one item checked off of our list. We apply. I'm going to shorten these to about 2 seconds so that when I play it back for you, it doesn't take up as much time. Let's change this one down to 2 seconds. Okay, so now when we play our to-do list and you insert it there, it's checked off. Okay, so starting from the last one that you just made with the red line, you do a control C copy and control V paste, and now we have it another time. And again, we go into the advanced mode, and this gets even simpler because now when we choose the shape, and we're going to choose the same shape, you can see that it was added. We don't see anything extra. That's because it's added exactly where we took it from. So we have 2 of them now, and we can go ahead and add that and apply that. And now we do a control, shift end. We're going to move to the end here. Control copy, control paste. And this is our last one. we go into the advanced mode and we add the shape again. And in this case, it's going to come right off of here because this is the one we copied. And we apply, and there we have it. Now, when we play it back, you have your to-do list being checked off. There's many other ways that you can do these things, but as I understand your question, this is kind of what you wanted to do.